Hi, 8th graders. Welcome back. This week we're going to be doing a group activity on Jamboard. So there will be members in each group working on these slides. So each member will be responsible for one slide. If your group has less than 4 people, some of you will have to do 2 slides, and you can figure that out amongst your groups. I highly recommend that you set up a group chat on Slack. I can show you how to do that. So if you're looking at Slack, and here you have our 8th grade exploration page. If you go to direct messages and hit plus, you can start typing names in of students in your group, click on them and add them to the chat. You can have up to 7 people in your chat, so I highly recommend using Slack as a way to stay in contact with your group members as you work on this throughout the week. I want to be very clear about how you participate here. I want each of you to choose one of these 4 colors. So one person will be blue, one person will be green, one person will be yellow, one person will be red. You will only write in that color. So to start, let's say you're working and I want to be the person in pink is going to be red. So if you're doing pink, if you choose a red marker, you can use the pink sticky notes. So I'll show you an example. I'm going to write my name here to let Mr. Rogers know that I'm pink. And I'm going to be working on this slide, so I'll just put my name in the bottom right, and then I'll only write in red, or I'll only use red sticky notes. And then maybe someone else in my group is on this slide, and they're going to choose green. So Karen, maybe Karen's in my group. She's choosing green, so Karen's name is going to be here. She puts it right at the bottom right, and then she's only writing in green. You say, wait, Mr. Rogers, if your name's on it, why does the color matter? Well, when we get to so here's another group member and another group member at the end, there's a group discussion page, and you're going to be using that color on the group discussion page so I can see who's interacting, right? So you're going to be doing this part individually. Each person will do their own slide with their name in the bottom right. They choose their color, they write in that color again. If you're choosing red, you're going to use a pink sticky note or pink notes throughout. This works really, really good on a phone or tablet. If you're using a computer, I would recommend typing with the sticky notes rather than writing. It's kind of hard to write with a mouse, but you can try it. And again, at the end, so each of you will do your own part, and at the end, what I'd like you to do is just start a group discussion. So what are some questions you still have or something you're still wondering about? Was there anything interesting that you noticed in your work or your group mate's work? Got a little error here. Let me fix that. Did anything surprise you? These are just suggestions. I want you to come on. You can come up with your own questions. I just want this to be a place where you interact with each other, and I want you to interact with each other. I want everyone to comment on this page at least twice. So everyone in the group has to comment at least twice. I'd obviously like to see more than that, but that's the minimum amount I would want to see on this group work. Is in this page is at least 2 each. And then I wanted to go back here on these pages. You guys, as long as you don't delete anything, feel free to move these around if you don't like where they are, the questions. You don't have to answer underneath the question. You can kind of answer anywhere in this space. If the question gets in the way, you can move it out of the way. It's up to you. The questions are just to guide the process. I do want you to answer each question, but you don't have to do it in any particular way. Just put all the work on this page. You can number them if you want. That might be easier. And then, like I said, if you want to move something you don't like where this is, you can move it. Just do not delete anything, because then you will not be able to get it back, and it'll be really difficult. So please make sure you leave everything there. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Slack. I'm available on Slack all day throughout the entire week, and I can answer any of your questions on Slack. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I hope that this week's setup, I'm going to be using Google Slides this week and a Google form. I'll explain that in another video. I hope that works better for you guys.